Hello everyone! Are you wondering how to prevent cats from scratching furniture? Let's explore! Scratching is a natural behavior for cats that serves several purposes, including marking territory, stretching their muscles, and maintaining healthy claws. While it's challenging to stop cats from scratching altogether, there are several strategies you can employ to redirect their behavior and protect your furniture. One effective approach is to provide your cat with alternative scratching surfaces that are more appealing than your furniture. Invest in sturdy scratching posts or pads made from materials like sisal, cardboard, or carpeting. Place these scratching surfaces in areas where your cat likes to scratch, such as near their favorite lounging spots or by entryways. Encouraging your cat to use the scratching posts can be achieved by using positive reinforcement techniques. Whenever you notice your cat scratching the designated surfaces, praise them and offer treats or toys as rewards. You can also use catnip or pheromone sprays to attract your cat to the scratching posts and make them more enticing. In addition to providing appropriate scratching surfaces, it's essential to make your furniture less appealing to your cat. Covering vulnerable areas with double-sided tape, aluminum foil, or plastic sheeting can deter scratching behavior by creating an unpleasant texture or sound. Alternatively, you can use commercial cat deterrent sprays or citrus-scented products to repel cats from certain areas. Another effective strategy is to trim your cat's claws regularly to minimize damage from scratching. Use a pair of cat-specific nail clippers to trim the sharp tips of your cat's claws every few weeks. Be sure to reward your cat with treats and praise during and after the trimming session to make it a positive experience. Finally, consider providing enrichment activities to keep your cat mentally and physically stimulated, reducing their desire to scratch out of boredom or frustration. Interactive toys, puzzle feeders, and regular play sessions can help satisfy your cat's natural instincts and prevent destructive behaviors like excessive scratching. In summary, preventing cats from scratching furniture requires a combination of providing appropriate scratching surfaces, using positive reinforcement techniques, making furniture less appealing, trimming claws regularly, and providing enrichment activities. By implementing these strategies consistently and patiently, you can redirect your cat's scratching behavior and protect your furniture while ensuring your feline companion remains happy and healthy. Please like the video and follow the channel for more related content. You can also support us on Patreon, so we can create more informational content like this. In exchange, we will feature your name in up to 1,000 videos every single month. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.